Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use the Twitter iMacros that we've created for you. Once you have downloaded the Twitter file, you will actually load it up into your macros. Once you do that, it'll be available. You'll need to hit the refresh. If you do not see it in here, if you do not see the folder in here, you'll need to actually click on edit and hit refresh micro list, and then the folder will pop up. So what we're going to be discussing today is the follower, link posting, and basic post, and how to unfollow people. Why this is so important, because Twitter actually sends out an email to the person you're following, their specific email address. So I'm going to give you an example here so you can see this is how many followers I have today. Okay, basically Twitter sends them an email like this. Okay, it basically says this person is now following you. Okay, and it basically tells them you want to receive mobile notifications, or it encourages them to follow them back. It basically says return the favor. Okay, and they're all pretty much standardized. What this does is it basically makes it to where their curiosity is going to be piqued, because not only do they see on their Twitter profile that you're following them, they also get an email, and Twitter does this for you automatically. So it's so simple, and as for marketers, that's a plus because it's less work for us. So I'm going to show you how this works real quick. Now you can see I'm only following 2. Okay, now this is a brand new profile. It's only a week old, and I already have 698 followers. So what I want to do is I want to similar to me, okay, somewhere in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this PC clean guy. Okay, you can see that he has 665 followers, and he's following this many, and he has 324 followers. Okay, so what I want to do is, since I am a PC guy, I actually want to follow some of these people. Okay, so you come up to a list here, and then what you'll do is you'll highlight the one that says new Twitter follower. Okay, and then you just hit the play. Okay, now you can hit play, or you can hit play loop 3 times. Okay, so what I want to do, for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to hit play. And what the system does is, now it's going through it so quickly, your eyes can't even keep up with it. It's actually going down the list of followers that he has, and it's following all of them. And once this gets done, I'm going to show you. It's only going to basically follow about 100 at a time, a little over 100, 104. Okay, now you're automatically going to come up with this. It's going to say you're not allowed to do this. You need to refresh the page. Okay, great, whatever. So now what we do is we go up to our deal here. Okay, you will come to your profile. Okay, you will see now that I'm now following 103. Remember, I only had 2 in here. That's how quick it was. That took 2 seconds. Okay, so now let's go somebody else. I mean, you can play around with this all day long. He's got 33,000 followers. He's following 34,000. Okay, so we want to go to his followers. Now, this is where you want to put the play loop in. So we're going to do it 30 times. So that's basically 30 times 100. Okay, and we just hit play loop, and it'll just go through it so quickly and so fast that your eyeballs can't even keep up with it. It actually goes through it so fast that Twitter's server can't even keep up with it. So you'll notice in the code here, I've actually had to put some pauses, some delays, like wait 3 seconds, wait 4 seconds, because their server can't keep up. The iMacros is so powerful that Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, they can't keep up with us. So guys, that's basically the following feature. Now I'm going to let it play, and then I'm going to come back to you after it's completed. It's going to take a couple of minutes. Okay, well, you see I've stopped this now, and I basically, in about 10 seconds, I actually am now following 556. That's really cool, guys, because what's happened is basically 554 people just received emails from Twitter saying that I have just followed them. And like I said, curiosity kills the cat every time. They will more than likely follow me back. I mean, that's how simple it is. As far as the posting a link solution, it just basically goes in there and it pulls from a file. Now I'm going to pause this real quick. It basically puts whatever you have set up in there. I basically was promoting a friend of mine's website for her. So I basically already have this in here, the best viral print products by Andrea Barone, and it's got her website. So if I continue it, it'll actually post it for me. Now you can tell it to say whatever you want, but you can also build a data source file that will specifically pull multiple posts for you. Okay, and it's a wonderful tool, guys, so you don't have to sit here and type it in every time. And that's basically how that works. So I'm just going to stop that. I'm going to tweet that. So then actually, and then the basic post is the same situation. It'll put in whatever you want to. Now I've got an error in here because I no longer have that. I no longer have that file, so it's not going to work for me. So now let's look at the unfollow. Basically, once for about a 24-hour period, I give these people time to follow me. If they don't, I just basically go into my following section, okay, and then I just hit the unfollow button, and it basically just zips through it once it's in there. Now you have to give it time to work. As far as caching in, you have to make sure that it pulls it all up. So real quick, I'm going to show you how it plays. It just goes through it real fast. Okay, pause. Now I pause it, so now if we go up, Twitter automatically gets rid of it. So you can't see it. It recaches itself. So here we go. Boom, 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 boom. You can see it working really quick. Okay, so basically now if you look at my numbers, remember it's doing it 20 at a time. So see, now it's 534. If we refresh, it's probably going to change again. And that's basically how the system works, guys, for tweeters. I hope you enjoy it, and just stay tuned for more add-on products that we'll be adding to the website. Have a great day.